Excuse me, sir. Do you work here? Do you work here? Huh? Do you work here? I'm not work, I'm a missionary. You're a missionary. So I see you moving these pallets. Do you have a work permit, sir? Do you have a green card? Huh? I'm not working. Yeah, I'm I'm a missionary. Sir? Go. Oh. Sir?
Well, I'm an immigration. Okay, you're a citizen of the United States?
Do you have a warrant?
Yes, I have a warrant.
Okay, hold the law.
I don't need a warrant. I'm not gonna say that this. Spanish from immigration. No. All right, sir. You're being saying you have the right to remain silent. You don't have to answer any of their questions. What country are you from? Documents, identification.
Sir, how are you feeling right now? Can I ask your reaction?
No question.
No question. What country are you from, sir?
Don't answer any questions, all right? Stay as calm as you can.
Sir, are you a U.S. citizen?
This guy is not your friend.
Let me know if you
It's a media because
What country are you from?
How do you feel about being deported?
I'll have to answer any questions possible. No questions, media or the officers.
Oh, sorry, I don't have to answer this question.
Do you have any reaction?
Remember your right to remain silent.
Where are you coming from? Which country?
Panama
Just Panama, no other country?
and Canada, and
No, on this one, this trip. Now, just Panama.
yeah,
Okay, do you have family there?
friends.
Just friends. And you don't carry any bags?
No, I pick up my bag and then I go to Hong Kong. I live in Hong Kong.
Oh, okay. Have a good day. Go
Thank
ahead.
you. Thank you very much.
So that guy, he sounds so off. It's something there that I'm not quite comfortable. Hey, keep an eye.
So whose idea was this trip to Panama?
My friend from Hong Kong.
Your friend from Hong Kong.
Yes.
Now, did you travel with your friend?
He didn't actually make the trip with me. He just went with me to the airport.
Okay.
Your friend suggested you go to Panama.
Yes, sir.
And how do you know him?
Met him in Hong Kong, like
How long ago?
a little more than 2 months. Almost 3 months.
So you met him almost 3 months ago. He suggested that you go to Panama.
Yes, sir.
For what reason?
Visit, sightsee, all of that stuff.
Okay, so you went there with basically no money and no place to stay. Okay.
No.
So now you were there for almost a week. What did you do the whole time while you were there?
I just looked around, like sightsee,
What did you see?
casinos, parks.
That's it? Did you meet up with anybody while you were there? Did anybody come to the hotel to meet you?
No.
Everything that you're telling us, how nothing that you say right now, it doesn't make any sense. You have some guy that you just met, tells you to go to Panama. You go there with no money. You hear how odd that sounds?
Yes, but that's all I know.
That's all you know?
That's all I know, sir. I promise.
You sure? You have nothing to tell us? Because we're gonna find out. I want to see you in more trouble.
No, I don't.
You sure you're gonna go with that now, right?
Yes, sir. That's what I'm going with.
What do you do in Hong Kong? Do you work?
No,
What do you do?
I'm trying to find a job.
So your friend paid for your ticket to go to Panama? He did, right?
Yes.
Did he ask you to go there for a reason, right?
Bring back merchandise, like shoes, clothes, like just bring back and like sell to like different people.
How much money was he gonna give you when you got back to Hong Kong?
Like 1,000
Yeah.
US. He said I just go there, like meet somebody there.
What did he tell you you were gonna meet? Did he say that somebody was gonna meet in the airport?
Yeah.
So you were going to Panama to pick up merchandise
Yes.
and then bring it back where?
Bring to Hong Kong. Bring to Hong Kong.
Not here.
No.
Something is just like missing here. You understand? And what was the real reason why you were in Panama? Bringing drugs?
Never talk to us. Let us help you. You understand?
Yes.
We'll work with you. We're not here to hurt nobody. We're here to just get drugs. That's it. Period. All right? All right. You have anything?
No.
Nothing?
No.
You sure?
I'm sure.
What did they tell you to go pick up? What was it? Cocaine, heroin? Okay.
How about swallow?
No. I've never done that.
But you did the merchandise before.
Once. Yeah.
From where you picked it up?
From Hong Kong, delivered it to Macau.
Okay. The stuff you brought to Macau, did you swallow?
No, I didn't swallow.
You inserted them? You have stuff inserted now?
No. No, sir. And none in my stomach.
Do you have any in there?
No,
I'm having a hard time believing that you don't.
I don't.
Just meet you in the airport?
No.
What happened?
I had lost my phone and I had no way to contact the
He's
police.
supposed to contact you through your phone and you lost it.
Yeah.
When did you lose it?
I don't remember. I told the management people at that hotel to contact the police and take me to the embassy because I had no money and I had no place to stay. They found my parents' contact. My parents booked a flight for me to come back to Hong Kong. Well, my father.
We have his father's phone number.
Yeah, wait, you have your father's number?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, alright, give me a second.
Okay.
Right now, I don't think he has it. That's the only thing I can tell you. I didn't see any contradiction on his story, no discrepancy. The story about the embassy, we can confirm all of that. He's being really honest with us right now, and I believe him. So you were about to do the wrong thing, right?
Yeah.
How old are you now?
26.
You're still young, okay? You have a future ahead. Or take another direction, end up in jail or in trouble. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So now that you get back home, are you gonna still keep in touch with these people, or what is the deal?
Probably not.
Are we done with this?
Yes.
Pick up your stuff. If they don't have anything, they haven't committed any crime. So this passenger, he's going to Hong Kong to meet his dad. Stay away from trouble.
I will.
Do the right thing, okay? He needs to get his life straight. He needs someone to guide him to the right way. And I wish him the best luck.
¡No les abras!
What you're doing is kidnapping!
Behind the flurry of news from this White House, something's been happening.
Hey, he's bleeding! God, he's bleeding!
In plain sight across America.
Since Donald Trump became president again, people suspected of being in America illegally are being rounded up and detained. Previous presidents did the same. The difference now is the methods and no judicial process.
This is Ladera Heights, Los Angeles, 11 a.m. on Monday, June the 23rd.
Don't answer any questions. You don't have to say anything. No.
26-year-old Selena Ramirez holding a tree.
What you're doing is kidnapping!
To prevent herself being taken by masked men. They were later confirmed to be working for ICE,
Are you kidding me?
the U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement Agency.
Who are you? Who are you?
She came to America illegally 2 years ago in search of a better life. She's married with a 4-year-old son.
Seriously, 8 of you?
The ICE agents reportedly showed no warrant and they did not identify themselves. She was taken away. Lawyers have been trying to track her location, but say they've not been able to find out where she was taken.
They're kidnapping her!
It's believed she was what's known as undocumented. If that's the case, and we don't know for sure because the authorities won't reveal any details, then that means she had no visa or asylum claim lodged. But under US law, she should still be given the right to a lawyer and a fair hearing.
Yo, look at this, look at this.
La Puente, California, Thursday the 26th of June. This man, whose identity is not known, was removed from his car, pulled to the ground and detained. Eyewitnesses say he did not resist the agents.
The arrests are generating significant protests. Locals are filming the incidents, and in some cases they are being arrested too.
This is outside a branch of Home Depot in Hollywood, Los Angeles. Thursday, June the 19th. Job Garcia was filming the arrest of another man, shouting and swearing at the agents, and then this.
You want to go to jail? Fine. You got it.
And this is Santa Ana, again in California, Saturday the 21st of June. 48-year-old Narciso Barranco tackled and beaten by masked agents. Also undocumented, he was gardening, and the agents said he tried to use a strimmer to defend himself. His son, a US Marine, said his father had no criminal record. By no means all the arrests have been confrontational, but on construction sites, in private businesses, in homes, on the streets, and on farmland, those suspected of being here illegally are being rounded up.
The agents are carrying out spot checks as well.
This is Savannah, Georgia, just after 7 a.m. on Friday, June the 6th. ICE agents and local police pull over a van they suspect is carrying undocumented people. They are detained, among them a young mother. She was held for a while, then released when her visa was confirmed. She's now home with her 2 children, but her husband, well, he was detained and has not been seen since. Tom Homan is President Trump's border czar, doubling down.
If you're in the country legally, you should be concerned. It's not okay to be in the country illegally. If you're a national security threat, you should be working. We're looking for you.
The Trump administration claims that their priority is violent criminals, but the truth across America looks very different.
185,042 people have been arrested and taken into ICE facilities since October last year. This includes the last few months of the Biden administration. According to ICE's own data, almost half of those detained have never been convicted nor charged with any crime. And of those who do have criminal records, most are for immigration and traffic offences.
But according to NBC News data analysis, 752 of those arrested are known to have been convicted of murder abroad before coming to America. That, though, represents just 6% of the total number of people detained.
This can't be right. Look at this here. Where's in the sink? Look at this here. Look at this here. Look, and watch what she over here doing.
Get that camera off
and
my
look
face.
what she over here doing.
Get that camera off my face.
So I leave here since 5 this morning.
Get that camera off my face. That's what you gotta do.
Jesus.
In your white sailor.
5 this. I paying all the bills in here. Leave here 5 this. Look at your behavior. Look at your behavior, Jed. Look at your behavior. You nearly mash up my phone. No, Jed, don't touch my phone, Jed. You lucky I really want to do nothing, Jed.
Do my what?
What do you mean,
Do something. Do something.
Look, listen
do
to
something.
me,
What? Watch how you get on because somebody ain't cooked for you like a little fucking princess.
I'm hungry.
A little fucking princess.
You know what?
Food. You want fucking
You see that?
food.
All you see what's going on? All you see what's going on?
Every day.
I see money in the house. I need food. I need something.
Every
this
day.
thing here?
Every day. Every fucking day.
You see this thing here? Look at your behavior. Look.
Chicken.
Look.
I need meat.
You see this thing
You
here?
pass KFC. You pass
I don't eat
Subway,
that.
You pass.
I don't eat that.
Fuck.
I don't
give a fuck. And you can send this to Rose. Rose, I fucking say your son is a fucking coward. Every day
I make a big mistake. I choose the wrong woman.
I'm out of here. No, we're done.
I make a big mistake.
No.
Don't put me sorry of yourself. Police the button go now quickly there. So we have
What gets smaller each time you take a shower?
What gets smaller each time I take a... My vagina.
Lion! Lion!
What you say?
I don't know that one there. I may say so. I don't know.
Why you say that?
Get tighter.
I'm going to get in below again. So Jamaica, Michael Jackson. Jeez. Bring it up on the stage. So, no! And this is not performance. Jesus Christ. Oh, I'm telling you, they're going to put it to the walkie-talkie. Come back to my boy. Oh, you? No, no, put my telling you, they're going to put it to the walkie-talkie. I'm not going to work tonight. Walkie woman, murdering that body. Jamaican Michael Jackson, welcome to Boom Sunday. Give any Michael Jackson. Watch it! Jamaican Michael Jackson. First time at Boom Sundays. Put it back, son. Jesus Christ!
Police box man in Saint and Today.
And Tobago, I see in Jamaica, they're hungry. I don't know why Vines Cartel do send the money where you rip way off with and feed the hungry Jamaicans. Are you hungry for KFC? We just feed KFC to dog, boy. Watch it. We just get dog does eat this one. Take one, boy. Dog, boy. We just get KFC to dog, boy. At the end of the day, Beanie Man, go and eat. Eat, Beanie Man. Where Brethren Vines Cartel go, like, he hungry too, he mother in the line and all. Line up. They're like hyena. They just over each other like crab in a barrel. You're hungry, boy. I want to stand with Jamaican. We just feed KFC to dog, boy. Lock off.
My man, I'm gonna give you this ID back.
Watch a crooked cop push an illegal search until the driver reveals he's the new sheriff in town. Violation of the Fourth Amendment. Career ending. This takedown will leave you speechless.
Go ahead and take that, but do me a favor. I don't. Yeah, of course. I got that information, but I don't know what's going on in the back of this car. Now, if you wouldn't mind hopping out of the car, you've already been compliant. I appreciate that, but I want to see what's in the back. You got any?
What's going on with the car?
There's
service.
Absolutely, and it seems like it's running great. The problem is that I don't know what's in the back seat with these tinted windows, so I'm not sure. Are you new to the community or something? Like, we don't generally have windows this dark here in our community. And part of the reason is the cops don't feel safe. So we end up having to pass ordinances to get it a little more lowered down so that we can see into cars. So you got anything in the back seat that I should be afraid of?
That's the most bogus story I ever heard in my life.
I'm just saying, like, I know it gets hot here, but when we can't see, we've actually had to pass 2 ordinances in the last 5 years because it was too dark for us to be able to see into anybody's car. So we didn't know what people were hiding. Drugs, children smuggling, whatever. Just any kind of inconspicuousness that's not on the up and up. We're not trying to have that. So, again, you're cool with me looking in the back seat? But I'm going to need you to get out and let me...
Look back there. Just look, put your head in the car. I don't bite.
That's the thing. No. I can't. Protocol doesn't allow me to do it that way. I got to be in the car alone. I'm going to have to put you in my car while I pop out, or at least pop you out. At the least, I got to pop you out. I can't have you in the car while I'm in the car. So if you could step out, let me take a look through this car, make sure there's no, or you can just declare. Do you have anything to declare? Are there guns? Am I going to find anything? Knives, weapons, drugs? Am I going to find anything like that? Do you want to declare anything?
You know what? I'm going to let you search the car, and I'm going to have a word with you soon.
You are?
Yes, I'm going to have a word with you soon.
You're going to let me search this car?
I'm going to let you do what you feel like that is right, that you should do.
Yeah.
I'm going to let you do.
So you're giving me consent? You consent to search of this car? That's key. I got to have you say that. You consent to me searching this car?
Yes, sir.
Right now?
Yes, sir.
So I can pop you out of this car and we're going to go from there? You're going to comply. Go ahead. Can you kill the engine, my friend? Yeah, because I can't have you, it's the second I step away, you smash the gas and take off. If I'm going to pop you out of this car, I have to have this car shut down and you out of it.
What's your name again?
Officer Johnson. What does that have to do with anything? Yeah, so you can... Absolutely, I appreciate it. So back to this, because this is very key. You consent to me searching this car. With you, I can pop you out. We'll turn the car off.
Sure.
We're going to do that?
Sure.
Okay. Go ahead and kill the engine. I can't do this with you in the car like that. I apologize. I don't know if this is your wife's car with this knit crochet or whatever. Again, I never seen it. Go ahead, my man. Step out of the car. Go ahead and pop out. Slowly. Keep those hands where I can see. I'm just going to take a look in the back seat.
Okay, buy yourself something to eat.
No, my man. I can't take a bribe like that. Oh, my God. Man, I can't. There's no... We can't do... My man, I can't do... Okay, my man. I just need you to slowly step away. Slowly step away. I appreciate that. But I'm going to have to pop. Okay, nothing in the back. Man, go ahead and step slowly this way. Just let me take a look. Slowly, please, 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 please. My man. I don't really trust you behind me. Can I get you to step right over there? All right. Nothing crazy.